Amtrak's pulling in. There it comes. Yep, Amtrak's just a quick little train going by. Northbound Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 anyway due to the freight traffic, but the freight train's behind them. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.